Hello everyone, thank you for joining today. This is David with Adesa Logistics. In today's video, we're going to talk about a new tool that we have for our returning customers. So now, in order to save you time, we developed this new tool that helps you request a new quote without spending too much time filling up the information. Right now, as you can see on your screen, I am on the customer shipment portal. You can access this page using any of your order confirmation, email or text message received from Adesa Logistics. And as you can see here, this shipment is shipping from Miami, Florida, going to Beverly Hills, California. And it's going to be important because the information in the form can be pre-filled with some of that information. So if you ship always to Beverly Hills, California with the same address and same contact information, you're definitely going to love this feature. I'm going to show you here the full shipment information. You can see the addresses and phone number and as well as the contact on the delivery and the address on delivery. The vehicle information can also be copied into the quote form. So at the top of the page, you see a request a new quote button, this blue button here at the top. The first question asks you if this is an auction vehicle. If you're an auction buyer, you're especially going to love this feature because this will save you tremendous time. In this case, we're going to go ahead and say that it's an auction vehicle, and this is where the magic happens. In this case, we're going to use IAAI as an auction, and we're going to use the stock number. You're going to click the fetch button, and this would already pre-populate the form, the pickup location, vehicle details, year, make, and model, the vehicle condition, and if you'd like to make sure that our AI tool gathered the proper information and the proper information was put in the form for you, you can expand the data here. You have all the shipment information, even the phone number for the auction will be inputted in the form. So this will save you a lot of time. As you can see, the pickup location, Dallas, Texas, was already pre-filled. Your delivery location is always the same. So of course, we're going to check this box here. We want to pick up as fast as possible because of course, auction vehicle, we always need a quick pickup. Next, and then you can see that all the vehicle information is already pre-filled with your lot number. If you go on the next page, you can see all your customer information is also already pre-filled. So this request will come in our system. In just a click, you will receive your quote. So this will save you tremendous time. It will allow us to quote you as fast as possible. Now, for the ones who don't know how to access this customer portal page, there's another way. You can go onto our ushipcars.com, our website, and using the menu, select the navigation item, track shipment. And on this page, you'll have the ability to enter your order number as well as your email. So in this case, we're going to enter our order number, and automatically you'll find your customer portal opening on your browser. So the same is available for the mobile or desktop. We built this feature especially with you in mind. We know time equals money. If you or a friend have a vehicle to transport, please send them to ushipcars.com. Adesa Logistics, the choice for your vehicle shipping needs.